we're gonna make egg salad because that's what I do in quarantine, and I'm gonna teach you the best egg salad recipe ever. Nobody ever said that, but I'm gonna do it. So hopefully you like egg salad, and I will teach you how to boil some eggs. So first I put 4 eggs in a pot and I cover it with water so it just covers the top of the eggs. Okay, you see how these bad boys have come to a boil? We're gonna let them do that for 5 more minutes. Okay, now those 5 minutes are up, we're gonna take this baby off the stove. And then we need to put a lid on top of it. I don't know where this lid is, so I'm gonna use a plate. Okay, there we go. Professional. And we're going to let this sit like this for 8 minutes to allow the eggs to fully cook. Okay, so the 8 minutes is up. We're gonna drain these guys. And then we're gonna pour cold water over them so that they will be easier to peel. I just let them sit for like a little bit of time after this. It kind of varies on how fast we need to eat, to be honest. So we'll see how this goes. So now everything is prepared and we just need to make the egg salad. So here are the 4 eggs. I've peeled and chopped them. Some diced up celery, some mayonnaise, some crushed pepper, and some Hungarian paprika. So first we'll add the eggs. And next we'll add the celery. We'll add a dash of pepper. And we'll add a sprinkling of hot paprika. This guy is the Hungarian stuff. It's really, really good. That might be too much. We'll find out. And now comes the part you've all been waiting for. We'll scoop out the mayonnaise. Oh, that looks so appetizing. Kidding. But seriously, this stuff is really good. And then we are gonna mix it all together. So it forms something you can spread on a sandwich. Oh, listen to that. ASMR. Okay. And that is the egg salad of your dreams. Just in case you need further convincing, this is how you sandwich it up. That was a toast popping in the other room. So you take a piece of toast. You spread on some of this yummy mixture. And you add some pieces of lettuce for some crunch. Oh yeah. Now you gotta try it. Ta-da!